How to grow wheat in a greenhouse. Although most people think of wheat as a grain, wheat is also a grass. Just after corn, wheat is the second most produced crop in the world. Wheat can be ground into flour, which can create limitless baked goods and breads. Growing your own wheat can limit the chance that your food is infected with pesticides and can help you save money in the long run. You can grow wheat all year long if you grow it in a greenhouse. The recommended way to grow wheat if you have limited space. Because you are planting your wheat in a greenhouse, you can plant it anytime, but most farmers plant wheat as soon as they see the first frost in late fall. Things you will need: 1 foot deep, square tray, topsoil, fertilizer, small rake, wheat seeds, small scythe. Fill a 1 foot deep, square planting tray 3/4 full with topsoil. You can purchase topsoil at your local hardware or gardening store. Fill the tray the rest of the way with fertilizer and mix thoroughly with a small rake. Rake the top of the soil until it is smooth. Using the rake, make 2-inch deep divots in the soil. Place wheat seeds in your palm and throw them into the tray, using your wrist to evenly disperse them. Place the tray on top of a table in the greenhouse where it can get direct sunlight. Water your wheat twice a week, and in about 2 seasons or 120 days, your wheat is ready for harvesting. You will know when the top of the stalk has turned yellow and the kernels towards the top of the stalk have completely dried. Using a small scythe, cut down the yellow part of the stalk and you are ready to begin preparing your wheat for making flour. Tips: warnings. Closely monitor your wheat and water 3 times a week during the summer. Do not overwater your wheat crop. The soil should not have puddles or be soupy.